Hey friends, this is Trika of trickaplans. Welcome, 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 and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I have my May setup that I'm going to do in my Hobonichi weeks. I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and if you're interested in seeing what I create in my monthly spread in my Hobonichi weeks, then just keep right on watching. Okay, the monthly is really simple and easy to set up. So I'm going to be using this May monthly kit from MadeWithSouthernLuv, and as usual I will be starting with the bottom washi. Okay, so we're putting down the bottom washi. And I try to get them as even as possible. Isn't that pretty already? And then I do have my purple Simply Gilded washi that I will lay on top. And I'm just going to keep it going straight across. There we go. And then all you do is cut the little frays off. And we'll put the strips down. Okay, this is the top portion of the kit, and I like her kits because you can do them simple. Ooh, excuse me. It goes straight down. You don't have too much to worry about. Okay, and then you can put this one here to cover up that so it can be a little cohesive. And then we go, sidebar. Oh, wait a minute. Let me remove this. And then I'll just put that. Let's see, I guess I'll put that right there and cover up that. Okay, so see the monthly already basically is done. You just go in, because Monday is the 29th and Tuesday is the 30th. You can go in and put the little box right there and put one right there. And then let's see. Put one right here and right here. And then with the little boxes, you can mark like your paydays or something. And my paydays are the 15th and the 30th, or the 15th and the 31st. So we just put that down. And then I have Amber from Mariposa Studios. She is so super cute, so I'm gonna pop her right on the page as well. Oh, I tore my lady apart. Ah! Wait a minute. I'm gonna have to reconstruct her. I cannot believe she is cut in half. Wait a minute. Okay, let me try to get her together. Okay. Okay. That like they gave me a fit. Wait a minute. Let's see if I can get her together here. I'm gonna have to strategically do this. So when you have stickers that mess up on you, this is how you do it. You just stick them down as close as possible. Wait a minute. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm tearing it some more. Okay, I'm gonna leave her just like this because I can't believe it. Oh, Amber, you was not supposed to tap on me like that, Amber. I don't know. I wasn't pulling too hard. Ooh, chill. Amber done gave me a fit. Okay, so I have a birthday on the 25th. A birthday on the 31st. 2 birthdays on the 31st. My bestie and her husband's birthday are on the same day. Cinco de Mayo is when? Is it the 2nd? When is Cinco de Mayo? I gotta figure that out. Then I'll come back and put that on. But okay, this is Crystal's birthday. Nisha, Jazz, and hubby. I guess I'll put a flower right there for her. Oh. I have 2 birthdays. And then, oh, wait a minute. My niece's prom is this day. Let me put that. And her birthday is the day before. So I'll put a heart on her birthday. Then I'll put a... Oh, I need some more. I gotta find some more stuff to put on there. But anyway, this spread like to gave me, I mean, when I tore Amber legs off, I like to then go, I mean, I almost said some choice words. I hope the rest of them don't come off like that. I should do a test. Let me see. Should I do it from the bottom? Oh, you guys. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have to do it from the side. I just went in. I went in a little too hard, too much torque. So I tore the legs off. But I think I pieced her back together pretty nicely. This is the May monthly setup in my Hobonichi weeks. I don't think I'm going to be editing this video because I don't want to have to relive it. But this is what I have so far. I'll go back in and add the other stuff in the boxes and stuff. And you guys will see it on my Instagram post because I'm not doing anything else to this spread because right about now, my nerves is shot. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember, hit comment down below and let me know if I scared you guys just as much as it scared me. Comment down below, hit the like button, also share with a friend. And if you're not already a part of trickaplans, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified when I upload another video. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Toodles.